This guy is about to attempt the unthinkable stunt most people wouldn't even imagine trying it.
Starting off with a 5-year-old. Sorry if I kill you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. Bum, bum. Woo.
Don't kill me.
Don't kill ya. This is the most I've ever jumped. Woo. And now 10. Rest in peace to all of you. Woo. Too easy. Boom. Wait there, wait there. I reckon I got one more. Oh, just about. Oh, just about. Oh my days. Thanks for risking your life, buddy.
I'm not.
See you later.